Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today's video, let's learn how you can pay for YouTube Premium. So for that, head over to your browser and make sure that you are logged into your Google account from where you would like to pay for your YouTube Premium. At the top search bar, type in pay for YouTube Premium. Then you will see get YouTube Premium. Open the first link from your search result and it says try 1 month for $0. If you would like, you can get a family or student plan. So simply select the first option. Now at this page it says try premium free for 1 month. You can either select individual, family or student. Select try 1 month. Now as you do that, you're going to have to simply get ready with your card information so that you can enter your card details. Before that, you're going to have to enter your credit or debit card. Select buy. Now at this section, simply type in your card information, select save card. You will be able to select buy. This is $0 for 1 month. After that, if you would like to purchase it, you will have to pay for this charge. So guys, this is how easy it is. Thank you for watching.